In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get iPhone to recommend a strong password. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now and we're going to switch this on through settings by going into the password section and enabling the option that suggests strong passwords. First, I'm going to open the settings app, the grey gear icon. If you don't see it on the page you're on, just swipe left or right until you spot it. Once you see settings, go ahead and tap it to open. Okay, now settings is open and we need to go into apps. So at this point I'm scrolling down the list until I see apps. I'm moving steadily and watching the labels as they pass by. Alright, I see apps, so I'm tapping on apps. Now we're on the apps screen and we need to find passwords. So at this point I'm scrolling through the list until I see passwords. I'm going slowly so it's easy to spot. Alright, I see passwords, so I'm tapping on passwords. Now we're inside the password settings page. On this screen, look for the option called Suggest Strong Passwords, and you'll see a toggle switch next to it. So at this point, I'm going to turn on Suggest Strong Passwords by tapping the toggle so it switches on and looks active. Once it's on, that's your confirmation it's enabled. There's no save button here, so the change applies immediately. At this point you can tap back or exit settings whenever you're ready, and your iPhone will now recommend strong passwords when that option is available.